Western Union allows you to save recipient details for quick transfers. However, outdated or incorrect information can lead to errors or even fraud. This video shows you how to safely delete a recipient, protecting your account and ensuring your money goes to the right place. As of December 15, 2025, Western Union's process is straightforward, but security is paramount. A recipient is a saved contact, name, address, phone, sometimes bank details, for easy money transfers. Deleting a recipient removes this data from your account. Safe deletion prevents sending money to the wrong person, reduces fraud risk if your account is compromised, and helps you comply with data privacy. You can always re-add a recipient later if needed. We'll also discuss the difference between editing and deleting recipients. First, log into your Western Union account at westernunion.com. Enter your username and password to access your account securely. Navigate to the My Account or Recipients section in your account dashboard. This is where your saved recipients are managed. Select the recipient you wish to delete from your list of saved contacts. Click the Delete or Remove option associated with that recipient. You'll likely need to confirm the deletion via two-factor authentication, like a code sent to your phone or email. Some regions may require a reason for deletion. Always double-check the recipient's details before confirming to ensure accuracy. Open the Western Union mobile app on your iOS or Android device and log in. Tap on Send Money or Recipients. Find the recipient you want to remove and select them. Look for a Delete or Remove button, often represented by a trash can icon. Confirm the deletion, possibly using biometric login, fingerprint or facial recognition, or a 2FA code. As with the website, you may be prompted for a deletion reason. When deciding between editing and deleting a Western Union recipient, consider the situation. If the recipient's information has only slightly changed, such as a new phone number or address, editing the entry is usually the better choice. This maintains continuity and saves you from having to re-enter all the details from scratch. However, if the recipient is no longer needed at all, or if you suspect any fraudulent activity, deleting the entry entirely is the safest option to protect your account. Enable account alerts to monitor activity and receive notifications about recipient changes. Use a strong, unique password for your Western Union account. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always access Western Union through the official website or app. Never share your login details with anyone. Regularly review your recipient list and delete any outdated or suspicious entries. Watch out for lookalike emails. Real-world examples show why deleting recipients safely matters. In one case, a U.S. user prevented a $5,000 fraud by deleting suspicious recipients after a phishing attack and enabling two-factor authentication. Another example involves a European user who avoided GDPR penalties by deleting outdated recipient contacts that violated data protection regulations. Finally, an Indian user thwarted an impersonation scam by using facial recognition to safely delete a fraudulent recipient from their Western Union account. These examples highlight the importance of safe and proactive recipient management for security, compliance, and fraud prevention. Looking ahead, the future of recipient management in money transfers is evolving rapidly. Technologies like AI-driven validation will help automatically check recipient details for accuracy and security. Blockchain encryption will provide even stronger protection for stored data, while automated deletions based on inactivity could help maintain cleaner, safer account lists. Western Union continues to invest in advanced security features to keep user data protected against emerging threats. By staying informed and following best practices for managing your recipients, you can ensure your money transfers remain secure and reliable.